all you Microsoft Teams teachers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom background when you are in a Microsoft Teams Meet call. Let's get started. Okay, here I am inside Microsoft Teams, and I am going to start a Meet call, just like if you were in a call. Click on Meet. Here we go, join the call. Now, the backgrounds effects will only work if you are in a call or if you're in a meeting. Up here at the top, you're going to see three little dots, More Actions. Click on More Actions. Down at the bottom, Apply Background Effects. Choose Apply Background Effects. And here you can add your own if you have a great picture of a vacation maybe, or any background that you want. Or you can choose one of the default backgrounds that are built in. Maybe you just want to blur your background. I'm going to choose my background. You can click Preview to test it, or you can just click Apply. And here we are. And it looks a little bit off as you move around, but no one can see your background environment. I hope this is helpful. Have fun with background effects.